Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing well in your life. You all are welcome in our 111 English Tarot channel. As you all are know about the twin flame and that DMDF topic, if not then I will tell you later in this video. And today's reading of the topic is that what currently DM feeling for their DF and what currently DF feeling for their DMs. Okay, let's check firstly about the DF feelings for their DM. What actually DF want to convey messages to their DM? Okay, as I am earlier talking about this card as what is the message DF wants to convey to their DMs, and this is here. Okay, 8 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So maybe you are fire sign or you are dealing with the fire sign. Okay. King of Pentacles and 2 of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And we have, oh my god, oh my goodness. What is this, DFs? Divine Feminine is currently in a shaking position. Like what I am actually see, like they are not satisfied with their positions, with their feelings, with their status, with their stability. Okay guys, so currently DF feeling for their DM is not good, as they are really what I'm seeing, like they are really very sick. They are feeling so much kind of burden, frustration, anxiety, depression. They are not happy for with their stabilities, with their finances. They are like, what I have to do next? I am just stuck for about waiting. I am in that kind of path or in that kind of condition that I am not able to focusing on myself also, right? Like in twin flame conditions, like in twin flame relationships, the most important aspect of the winning and successful relation of twin flame is self-love. And in that current position, in this TF journey, the DF is not able to do self-love, and this is the most typical thing. Okay, let's check with these cards also. As you all know, mostly DF is always watching these kind of tarot videos and these kind of healing videos from internet. So maybe, see, again Tower. Oh my god, what are you doing, people? Like you are so much have strength in yourself, but you are just engaging yourself in so much kind of things like anxiety, like depression, like some sort of things which always demotivates you, some kind of fear you having. And you are doing so much prayers also, right? Hierophant card is also there, but the main problem, you are not able to focus yourself. You are not able to give yourself a time. You are not able to just do self-love for yourself. Okay, why dear? This is not good thing. Okay, you are not doing good thing. See, you just need so much strength in yourself, but you are engaging yourself in these kind of troubles, in these kind of frustration. See, we have Emperor also. You are behaving like an emperor. You are frustrated, some sort of things like you don't want to engage yourself in these kind of troubles, but you are actually. Okay, DF, this kind of energy is not good for your relationship. If you want to win this relationship, if you want to succeed in a twin flame relationship, then these kind of energies is not good. You want to talk with your DM, but because of the your separation, because of these kind of hurdles in your relationship, you are not able to talk with your DM. Then you are creating these kind of trouble in your life, and this is not good at all. This is harmful for your relationship. Okay, let's check the DM current energies and current feelings for their DFs. Please, angels, guide us for the DM energy. DF, I'm just warn you, this is not good. See, this is all about your energy impact on DMs. Okay, you are feeling stuck, you are feeling lonely, and as they are also. Okay, this is the glory and some kind of disadvantages also in twin flame relationship, that whatever you are feeling for your DM and the exactly thing they will be feel for you. Okay, Justice and Nine of Wands. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Libra especially here, and we have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Knight of Pentacles, they want to give you offer but they can't because of your energies, because of your traumas, frustrations. See, Tower card. You also have this kind of Tower card in your reading, right? This is not good thing. Your partner wants to give you some kind of commitment, some kind of proposal, offer, but your energy is all. Your energy is not creating that kind of momentum in your life, in your relationships. We have High Priestess. Oh my god, some kind of deception is also going there. And we have Knight of Wands. Actually, they want to give you commitment so fast. But what they have to do now? They are just hanged. Okay? And this is only disadvantages of this twin flame connections, that whatever you are feeling right now, your DM is also feeling the same for you. Okay, this is not good thing, guys. This is not good thing. See what your DM feel for you. They miss you. See, they are missing you. They are missing those kind of energies, those kind of situations, those kind of understanding. But at same time, they are not able to make any move. Okay. They want to give you justice. They want to give you some kind of proposal with this card also, but they are not. As you are not happy with your financial and stability procedures, as he or she is also not happy with that. Okay, this is harmful. This is harmful for your relationships. Okay, let me pull out some cards. Devil. See, Devil card is also there. Maybe your person is just a minute, guys. I have to arrange cards for you, so you will be clearly see them all. Guys, maybe they are in a third party situation with this High Priestess card and this Devil card also. Okay, maybe they are. Maybe they are in some kind of addiction. See, again, this is the beauty of this relationship. Okay, and this is also a disadvantage of this relationship, that whatever you are feeling, they are feeling the same. Tower card, Emperor card. In DF energies also, we have 2 Tower cards, and they are also in DM energies. Okay, so guys, just change your energies. Just change your energies. You are your own emperor, and they are also their own emperor in their life. Okay, so guys, please, this is my request to all of you, that change your energies. Otherwise, you will lose this relationship. You will lose this kind of opportunity to do something really very great, really very effortful for this whole world. Okay, now let me check some messages from your DM. Let's check some messages. Okay, just a minute, guys. We was very happy. Why this kind of curse is just going on in our life? Sometime I want to die in your memories. Definitely they are missing you, right? Then we have, I miss those days. See, they are missing you so much, so badly. I miss those days when we was together. I used to spend my days with you and almost spend my time on watching your photos and our chats. Oh my god. Intense energies. Then we have, you know, you are looking more beautiful day by day. The way you smile and see, I just love it. Sometimes I feel too lost in you. They are missing you. They are missing those days. They are missing your beautifulness, and they are missing the most importantly the understanding of your relationship. Okay, I can feel my heartache because an essential part of it has left. My whole body and soul feel completely empty. This is too much to bear. Oh my god. And I never used to believe in soulmates, but you made me believe in it. Every moment I spend with you is like a beautiful dream. Okay, so maybe your DM is realizing that you both have some sort of connection. Okay, let's check with these cards also. Okay, we have friendliness. You are able to recognize traits in common with another in order to for love based connections. And then we have cause and effect. You are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your result. This is the only thing I'm saying to you. Okay, let me check with the Moonology cards also, that what will come next in your relationship. But DF, if you are watching this video, then please, I must say to you, change your energies. Otherwise, you will lose this relationship, okay? Let me show you some cards from the Moonology deck. Okay. We have balance, spirituality and practicality. This is the only thing I'm saying to you, okay? That please change yourself, change your practicality, change your thinking, change your thought level process, okay? Then we have the end of tough cycle approaches. Okay, so maybe in future, in a further future, maybe this kind of situation will end and you will be happy, okay? But you have to change yourself first. You have to, okay? Just a second. You are good enough. Yes, this is the most important message for all the DFs, that you are good enough. You are good enough to change all these kind of thinkings, all these kind of thoughts, okay? You are just best. You are best in your own kind. You are emperor of your own country, okay? And the country is your thought process. Okay, the last one, meditate and contemplate. That means you have to meditate regularly and just surrender to the divine, surrender to the universe, surrender to the Pitaji, that all the things which is happening to me and which is happening to my life is having some sort of importance, some sort of magic, okay? Some sort of meaning also. So just be positive, have faith on universe, have faith on angels, okay guys? And just be positive guys, okay? So this is all for today's video. If you like this video, then must like this video and comment below to let me know that what actually you like and what actually you don't like in this video, okay guys? And we'll meet you soon. Bye.